name is Jordan Schick and I'm with Marlin Steel. We make pail handles and bucket handles for your plastic or steel buckets or cans. We are not a distributor. We are the manufacturer of wire handles for steel and plastic buckets. We stock 1 gallon and 5 gallon handles. Some of these handles come with grips and some with no grips, all made in the USA. And of course, we use USA steel. The steel we use comes from Tennessee or Arkansas. Our company has employees that have been making these handles for over 50 years. You heard of Baltimore Automatic Wire Forming Corporation, the oldest pail handle company in the USA. Well, we bought them in 2020 and hired their entire team, every single one of them. All of their employees are now in our family and they continue making the best handles in the world. Here's the rundown of our most popular units. This is our 1 gallon handle. We call it the Marlin Steel 025-11010 with a 12 gauge material or 0.105 galvanized wire. This is our 5 gallon handle, part number Marlin Steel 025-11011. And the material we use does not rust. It is pre-plated galvanized. For this handle, we use 0.135 inches wire diameter. Check out these grips. They're made in the Midwest, the heartland of the USA. Nothing imported here. All the parts are high quality. They run off machines that are very consistent and managed by the best quality team in the world. We are ISO 9001-2015. That focus on checking each part as it comes off the machine sets us aside, making sure our quality is extraordinary. We make these handles for some of the biggest companies in the world. We export these handles all over. If you are looking for the best quality and fast shipments, please email us at sales@marlinwire.com or you can call us at 410-644-7456. Thanks for your support and thanks for buying quality.